You're checking in an airport. What do you say? I want to give you my bag. Okay. Hi, my name is Sarah and I help you speak English the way native people actually do. So, what we heard, it wasn't wrong. People understand you, but it's not the way a native speaker would say it. So, let's fix it. Good morning. I'd like to check this bag, please. Sure. At the airport, you're not simply giving your bag to someone. The airline officially takes your bag and put it in a flight. There's an action happening, and in English, we have a verb for this action. We call it check a bag. Check a bag. Are you checking any bags today? Yes, just one. Is this your only suitcase? Yes, that's the only one. Well, I'm gonna tell you one more mistake that non-native English speakers do all the time at the airport. Let's see it. Is this your only suitcase? No. I have 2 luggages. Okay. In English, luggage is uncountable. So you can say luggages, and no native speaker will ever say that. You can simply say, I have 2 bags. And fun fact for you, in America, between native speakers, they use the word bag much more than luggage in their everyday conversation. So feel free to use that as well. Now, there is a question you're gonna face at every international flight. Let's see what is that question. Did you pack it yourself? Yes, I did. Has anyone given you anything to carry? No. Airport staff ask this question for safety reason. They want to make sure that nobody puts something inside your bag. So, if somebody else packed it for you, just be honest and never ever carry anything for anyone unless you know them. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? I'd like a window seat, please. Have a great flight. They ask you this question to see what seat do you like. The window seat is next to the window and you can see the beautiful view from the sky, and the aisle seat is next to the walkway, so you have easy access to the bathroom. There is no wrong answer, just your preference. Good morning. May I see your passport, please? Here you go. Thank you. Are you checking any bags today? Yes, I'd like to check this bag. Did you pack it yourself? Yes, I did. Has anyone given you anything to carry? No. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? A window seat, please. Have a great flight. Okay, now it's your turn. Pause the video and answer the questions. Good morning. Can I see your passport, please? Are you checking any bags today? Did you pack it yourself? Has anyone given you anything to carry? Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? Great job! So, if you answered all of these questions, you're already thinking in English. If this video helped you to sound more natural, please like and subscribe. And tell me in the comment, where should we go next? A pharmacy, a restaurant, or a hotel? Real English, real situation. See you next time. Bye-bye!